friends, Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics, and today a quick video on a new trade war as Trump declares trade war on India, imposes new tariffs, things getting more heated up with China, and then yesterday, I believe it was, or a couple days ago, a new trade war with Mexico, now India, and great opening to this article. President Trump has a victory president for newly reelected Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it's the economic equivalent of a flaming bag of shit on India's doorstep. And the latest act of aggression, protectionism, and what has already been an action-packed week, Trump late Friday announced that his administration was terminating India's designation as developing nation under trade program, which basically had given them an exemption. We see down here Indian companies were able to avoid some $5.7 billion in duties back in 2017. Trump has determined India has not assured the United States that India will provide equitable and reasonable access to its markets. Accordingly, it's appropriate to terminate their designation. So let's do a quick review here. We're in a trade war with China. Russia last year sold all of its treasuries, continues to buy gold, and let's just say the relationship doesn't look warm and cuddly. Now we have possibly, I don't know if you call this a trade war yet or not, but now we'll add India to that list, as well as Mexico. And I mean, I don't see anybody else point this out, but are we now talking about a large portion of the world that is some way the trade is being impaired? I mean, it's not like it's some island nation with 10 people on it. I mean, these are some of the biggest countries in the world, and we're cutting off trade when the economy is already so weak that you can't raise interest rates past 2.5%. And now it looks like we're headed to interest rate cuts and more quantitative easing, even though I'm forecasting that it won't be called quantitative easing this time, but rather maturity extension program. So stunning development. We will see how it goes, but certainly I am expecting a lot of pressure on the stock market as investors have been flowing into bonds, especially leading up to the next Fed meeting, which will be in June. And it'll be darn exciting to see if they actually cut the rates then or just say that we're getting ready to cut rates, but sure looks like one way or another it's coming. So with that said, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again soon.